adding a pinch of salt to your fruit. Immediately, it's not going to curb any cravings for sweets, but it's going to give you a sweet that you can actually eat, which is wonderful. Instead of reaching for processed junk food and some kind of food that's going to send you off in the wrong direction, which is just going to spike your blood sugar level and crash you and set you up for more cravings in 45 minutes to an hour, well, instead you're eating fruit. And fruit is incredible because it's got natural sugars that are broken down slowly, but better yet, fruit's full of fiber and water, which are two incredibly important ingredients in curbing cravings and slowing down your digestive system so that the natural sugars that are in the fruit are slowly trickled into the bloodstream, so it's going to feed your brain for a longer period of time. By adding the salt to the fruit, what salt does is it actually enhances the sweetness of that fruit. And you're thinking, well, how could salt possibly enhance the sweetness of the fruit? Go figure, it actually does, and it works, and it tastes absolutely amazing. And what it does also is that a lot of times, especially for people that haven't been eating real whole natural foods, our taste buds become warped with these hyper palatables, all these processed foods that we're eating, so we can't really taste the deliciousness of actual fruit. And with a little pinch of salt, by enhancing that sweetness, you can taste the fruit for what it really is, and you can taste how good it is. So it's going to give you a wonderful alternative to that processed junk food. It's going to give you something that you can eat, and it's not going to trigger cravings down the road.